हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है स्टडी द राइट वे में। और आज हम पढ़ेंगे कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री। तो क्या होता है कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री? कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री हेल्प्स अस टू स्टडी ज्योमेट्री यूजिंग अलजेब्रा and understand algebra with the help of geometry, and that is why it is called as coordinate geometry. So first let us see distance formula. What is distance formula? To find out the distance between two points, we use this formula. Suppose points are P with coordinates x1 and y1 and Q with coordinates x2 and y2. So the distance formula is PQ is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 bracket square plus y1 minus y2 bracket square. So let us see how we can use this formula for solving examples. So first example is find out whether the given points are collinear or not. Okay. So the given points are A is 1, 5, B is 2, 3, and C is -2, -11. -2, -11. So to find out whether these points are collinear or not, what we have to find out? We have to first find out the distance. That means AB, BC and AC. So let us find out one by one. So what will be AB? AB is equal to square root of 1 minus 2 bracket square plus 5 minus 3 bracket square. That will be -1 square is, this is -1 and square is 1 plus this is 2. 2 square is 4. That is square root of 5. Now let us find out BC. So what is BC? It is equal to 2 minus 2 means 2 plus 2, 4 bracket square plus 3 minus 11. That means 3 plus 11 bracket square. So it is 4 square is 16 plus 14 square is 196 and the addition is 212. Now let us find out AC. AC is equal to what, friends? Yes, you are right. 1 minus -2. That means 1 plus 2 bracket square plus 5 minus -11. That means 5 plus 11 bracket square. So it is 3 square is 9 plus 16 square is, yes, correct, 256, which is equal to 265. Now to check whether these points are collinear or not, we have to see whether the addition of two sides, any two sides, is equal to third side. So by looking at this, we need to add AB and BC. AB plus BC, which is not equal to AC. AB plus BC is not equal to AC, and that's why these 3 points are not collinear. Understood? Perfect. So let's take one more example. Let's take one more example. Say, find a relation between x and y. Find a relation between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant from the points A 7, 1 and B 3, 5. Okay. So let us assume this point as P. Now the given condition is what, friends? The points are equidistant, right? So that means AP is equal to BP, because from these points, these 2 points are at the equal distance, right? So AP is equal to BP, therefore AP square is equal to BP square. Now using distance formula, what is AP square? So instead of writing square root, I am directly taking square. So AP, that means x minus 7 bracket square plus y minus 1 bracket square. This is AP square equals to BP square. X minus 3 bracket square plus y minus 5 bracket square. So let's solve this. X square minus 14x plus 49 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 10y plus 25. So x square will be cancelled, y square will be cancelled. Now for x, 14x and minus 6x, that means minus 8x plus, let's take plus first for y, so minus 2 plus 10, that means plus 8y, and let's take whole numbers on the other side. So that will be, see, 9 plus 25 is 34, 34 minus 50, that is minus 16. So let us divide both sides by minus 8. So you will get x minus y is equal to 2. And this is what we have to find out, the relation between x and y. Thank you, friends.